Hi, I'm Mag. I'm the co-CEO of Cosmos Labs, and Cosmos Labs is the institution that builds the entire Cosmos stack and the Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos is the stack that, one, has been around for the longest and is the most battle-tested for any kind of large-scale institutions and large-scale applications. So we see it getting used for things like finance, large-scale finance like Provenance, for example, with over $16 billion of issued assets. We see it being used for gaming. We see it being used for DeFi. We see it being used for governance. So it's really versatile and allows full customizability, which gives it a wide scale of customers. Cosmos Labs is designed to support and to invest in new builders using the Cosmos technology. It is the core foundation of both building everything in the ecosystem, but then also finding the use cases for it. And so we've done investments in a number of different projects that are using the Cosmos stack to push its limits and build things that haven't been built before, and then also finding new users and bringing in real institutions to come use the Cosmos stack that we have the scale and we have the reach to bring into the ecosystem. Cosmos EVM is a recent addition to the Cosmos stack that lets new builders access not only the sovereignty and interoperability and customizability of Cosmos, but also have access to all the DeFi and builders that have grown up on the EVM. EVM is far larger than Ethereum. It encompasses a bunch of different L2s and L3s and even other L1s. And so with the Cosmos EVM, we really get to merge the best of two worlds, the best stack for building applications alongside access to all of the developers and all of the applications that have been built over the past 7 years in other ecosystems. Building in Cosmos offers you the greatest degree of flexibility and scale over your entire lifespan. Building on someone's L1 or on a platform that is smaller than building your own chain is not going to grow with you as your application scales and as you want to expand the degree of things that your application can do. Cosmos can take you from 0 all the way to the very end of your life cycle, which is why you see a lot of different applications building L2s and building L3s and building smart contracts end their life as a Cosmos chain. So for example, the Ripple sidechain or Hyperliquid ending as an L1 or even WorldCoin, now building their own chain. These are all examples of how the full crypto lifecycle ends as you being your own chain, and Cosmos is the best stack for that.